Tropical Cyclone Bulletin NR. 8. Tropical Storm #ENTENGPH YAGI. Issued at 8 a.m., the 2nd of September 2024. Valid for broadcast until the next bulletin at 11 a.m. today. ENTENG maintains its strength while slowly turning north-northwestwards over the sea east of Polillo Islands. Location of center, 7 a.m. The center of tropical storm ENTENG was estimated based on all available data at 100 km north-northwest of Deep, Camarines Norte or 115 km east-northeast of Infanta, Quezon 15.0 degrees north, 122.7 degrees east. Intensity: maximum sustained winds of 75 km per hour near the center, gustiness of up to 90 km per hour, and central pressure of 994 hectopascals. Present movement: west-northwestward at 15 km per hour. Extent of tropical cyclone winds: strong to gale force winds extend outwards up to 280 km from the center. Tropical cyclone wind signals TCWS in effect. TCWS No. 2. Hollow circle wind threat: gale force winds. Hollow circle warning lead time: 24 hours. Hollow circle range of wind speeds: 62 to 88 km per hour, 8 to 9. Hollow circle potential impacts of winds: minor to moderate threat to life and property. Luzon: the northeastern portion of Camarines Norte, Binzans, San Lorenzo Ruiz, Talisay, Deep, Labo, Paracale, Jose Panganiban. San Vicente, Bacid, Mercedes, Santa Elena, Capilonga. The northeastern portion of Camarines Sur Garchitorena, Caramoan, Presentation, San Jose, Laganoy, Tinambac. Suruma, Goa, Cagayan, Pay, Gonzaga, Santa Teresita. Bugi, Lalo, Gadaran, Bagao, Santa Ana, Lasam. Santo Nino, Alcala, Amuling, Solana, Aguig, Tuguegarao City. Enreal, Apari, Ballesteros, Camilaniugan, Alacapan. Piat, Tuao, Rizal, Abulig, Pamplona including Babuyan Islands. The eastern portion of Isabela, Santa Maria, Santo Tomas. Cabagan, Delfin Albano, Quirino, Gamu, Burgos, Luna. Reina Mercedes, City of Kawayan, Alicia, Ekig, Jones. San Agustin, Angadanan, San Guillermo, San Pablo, Macanacan, Tumauini, Iligan City, Palanan, Divalacan, San Mariano, Nagilian, Benito Sullivan, Dinapi, Cabachuan, Aurora, San Manuel, Malig, Quezon, Roxas, the northern portion of Aurora, Casiguran, Dilasog, Dinalungan, Polillo Islands, the eastern portion of Quirino, Medela, the northern portion of Apeo, Luna, Santa Marcella, Flora, Pudtal, Calanasan, and the eastern portion of Kalinga, Rizal. TCWS No. 1. Hollow circle wind threat: strong winds. Hollow circle warning lead time: 36 hours. Hollow circle range of wind speeds: 39 to 61 km per hour, 6 to 7. Hollow circle potential impacts of winds: minimal to minor threat to life and property. Luzon: Batanes, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, the eastern portion of Pangasinan, Rosales. Asingan, Binalonan, Sisan, San Manuel, Santa Maria. Balungao, San Quintin, Tayu, Yuminan, Natividad, San Nicolas. Abra, the rest of Apeo, the rest of Kalinga, Mountain Province. Afugao, Benguet, the rest of Isabela, the rest of Quirino. Nueva Vizcaya, the rest of Aurora, Nueva Ecija, the eastern portion of Pampanga, Candaba. The eastern portion of Bulacan, Doña Remedios, Trinidad. Norzagaray, City of San Jose del Monte, Obando, City of Macawayan, Boca, Balagtas, Bustos, Baliwag, Pondi, Santa Maria, Marilao, Engat, San Rafael, San Ildefonso, San Miguel, Metro Manila, Rizal, Laguna, the eastern portion of Batangas, San Juan, the rest of Quezon, Marinduque, the rest of Camarines Sur, Albay, Sorsogon, Catanduanes, and the northern portion of Masbate, City of Masbate, Aroroy, Baleno, including Ticao and Gurias Islands. Other hazards affecting land areas. Heavy rainfall outlook. Forecast accumulated rainfall, today, greater than 200 mm, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Albay, and Quezon including Polillo Island. 100 to 200 m, Metro Manila, Bulacan, Aurora, the rest of Calabar Zone, Catanduanes, and Sorsogon. 50 to 100 m, Isabela, Quirino, Nueva Ecija, Marinduque, Romblon, and Masbate. Forecast accumulated rainfall, tomorrow, the 3rd of September. 100 to 200 m, Isabela, Cagayan, Abra, Apeo, and Ilocos Norte. 50 to 100 m, Aurora, the rest of Ilocos region, the rest Cordillera Administrative Region, and mainland Cagayan Valley. Forecast accumulated rainfall, Wednesday, the 4th of September. 100 to 200 m, Babuyan Islands, Apeo, Abra, Ilocos Norte, and Ilocos Sur. 50 to 100 m, Batanes, mainland Cagayan, and the rest of Cordillera Administrative Region and Ilocos region. Forecast rainfall are generally higher in elevated or mountainous areas. Under these conditions, flooding and rain-induced landslides are expected, especially in areas that are highly or very highly susceptible to these hazards as identified in official hazard maps and in localities that experienced considerable amounts of rainfall for the past several days. Furthermore, the enhanced southwest monsoon will bring moderate to intense rainfall in other areas of Luzon and Visayas, especially along the western portions. For more information, refer to Weather Advisory Number 4 issued at 11 p.m. yesterday. Severe winds. The wind signals warn the public of the general wind threat over an area due to the tropical cyclone. Local winds may be slightly stronger, enhanced in coastal and upland, mountainous areas exposed to winds. Winds are less strong in areas sheltered from the prevailing wind direction. Minor to moderate impacts from strong winds are possible within any of the localities where wind signal number 2 is hoisted. Minimal to minor impacts from strong winds are possible within any of the areas under wind signal No. 1. The highest possible wind signal that may be hoisted during the passage of ENTENG is wind signal No. 3. The enhanced southwest monsoon and tropical storm ENTENG will also bring strong to gale force gusts over the following areas, especially in coastal and upland areas exposed to winds. Today, Ilocos Region, Zambales, Bataan, Pampanga, Aurora, Bulacan, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol Region, and Visayas. Tomorrow, the 3rd of September, Zambales, Bataan, Aurora, Bulacan, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol Region, and Visayas. Wednesday, the 4th of September, Zambales, Bataan, Aurora, Bulacan, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol Region, and Western Visayas. Hazards affecting coastal waters. In the next 24 hours, ENTENG and the enhanced southwest monsoon will bring the following conditions over the coastal waters of the country. Gale warning is in effect over the eastern seaboard of Luzon and the southern seaboard of southern Luzon. Sea travel is risky for small seacrafts, including all types of motorbankas. For more information, refer to Gale warning number 2 issued at 5 a.m. today. Moderate to rough seas over the northern seaboard of northern Luzon and the western seaboard of central Luzon, 1.5 to 3.5 meters, the western seaboard of southern Luzon, the remaining southern seaboard of southern Luzon where gale warning is not in effect, and the seaboards of western Visayas, 1.5 to 3.0 meters. Mariners of small seacrafts, including all types of motorbankas, are advised not to venture out to sea under these conditions, especially if inexperienced or operating ill-equipped vessels. Slight to moderate seas are expected over the rest of the country, 1.0 to 2.5 meters. Mariners of motorbankas and similarly sized vessels are advised to take precautionary measures while venturing out to sea and, if possible, avoid navigation under these conditions. Track and intensity outlook. ENTENG is forecast to move generally northwestward in the next 24 hours. ENTENG may possibly make landfall over Isabela or Cagayan this afternoon or tonight. Shall the forecast track shift further to the west, landfall over the northern portion of Aurora is not ruled out. From tomorrow early morning, the 3rd of September, ENTENG will generally turn west-northwestward. Possible landfall over Babuyan Islands is also not ruled out. A period of deceleration from tomorrow to Wednesday, the 4th of September, is expected while ENTENG is slowly intensifying over Luzon Strait. ENTENG will continue to move west-northwestward while accelerating and is expected to exit the Philippine area of responsibility by Wednesday evening to Thursday early morning, the 5th of September. There may be a further westward shift in the track forecast due to the developing ridge of high pressure north of ENTENG, which may increase rainfall amounts over mainland Luzon. ENTENG is forecast to maintain tropical storm category until Tuesday and will intensify into a severe tropical storm by Wednesday. It may also reach a peak category of typhoon by Thursday or Friday. Further intensification over the Philippine Sea is still likely due to favorable conditions. Considering these developments, the Public and Disaster Risk Reduction and Management offices concerned are advised to take all necessary measures to protect life and property. Persons living in areas identified to be highly or very highly susceptible to these hazards are advised to follow evacuation and other instructions from local officials. For heavy rainfall warnings, thunderstorm, rainfall advisories, and other severe weather information specific to your area, please monitor products issued by your local Pagasa Regional Services Division. The next tropical cyclone bulletin will be issued at 11 a.m. today. Dusk Pagasa. Link: tinyurl.com/ENTENGPH.